Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best project, SynchroBit Hybrid Exchange. What is SynchroBit Coin? First of all, I will tell you something about this. But before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. Right now, SynchroBit Hybrid Exchange is basically a new exchange, and SynchroBit Coin is the fuel token of SynchroBit Hybrid Exchange. I will show you something very interesting regarding this project, that this project already listed on multiple exchanges and their IEO also basically start up on multiple exchanges, and the very successful IEO in this era. It is impossible, but still the whole team worked 24/7 on this project and they'll be able to make it successful. Secondly, I will tell you something more regarding this project. If you want to know more things which I am not basically sharing up with you, you can read the white paper right now, and you can also read the quick page by which you will be able to know regarding the SNB token, that what is it all about, how you can work on it and how it will work. Seriously, I'm not going to mention any of, you can say, coin, any of the token at this time, and I don't want to be attached up any token with SNB, but seriously, this token will be huge very soon. Right now in the coin market cap, it is available. You can see Synchro Bitcoin SNB. At this time the price is 0.14 cents, so it means that it is your chance to buy this token. Seriously, you can see it on multiple exchanges. Even the last day, I think it was basically listed on the Propet exchange, and before that it was basically listed on more than 6 to 7 exchanges, and on every exchange it has volume above than 7 to 10 BTC. It means that this coin will be huge. You can see each and everything, the charts and everything regarding this project. Now main things which I want to share up with you, the main features, everything is for every token, everything is same, but the major change, the major thing about this token is about its team. The basic thing is this, that the main, you can say, the main owner of this token is basically, you can say, he is basically the blockchain maker. He know how to make the blockchain. It means that he is going to take his token, Mr. Dr. Babak Behboudi. He is basically the CEO and co-founder of Synchronium. So he is basically the owner of SNB token. So what he is going to do, I am going to tell you the inside story. Seriously, this token will be huge, and you can see this token on multiple exchanges in maximum, you can say, hardly in next 2 months. And at that time, if you are not going to buy this token at the price of 0.14, as I am basically showing you each and everything from the coin market cap even, seriously, you are going to regret this thing if you are not going to buy this token. So it is your chance. You can buy this token on multiple exchanges. I will show you each and everything. When I am going to click on the market pairs, I will show you how many exchanges are over there in which you can buy this token at this time. You can buy this token on Alterdice in 2 pairs in BTC and Ethereum. You can buy this token on Shortex exchange in BTC pair. On Livecoin, you can buy this token in BTC pair, and on Probit exchange, you can buy this token on 2 main pairs. The one is USDT and the second is BTC. So it is your time. The train is just waiting for all of you. You must have to be in the train very soon. If you are going to miss it, seriously, you are going to regret this thing. I never ever advise any type of token for you to buy, but at this time I'm seriously advising you and even advising you to buy this token as soon as possible. So stay tuned with us for all the latest updates. I will share each and everything with you, and if you want to ask anything from the team, you can just go directly towards their social media and you can ask anything over there, and the team is over there for you 24/7. So thanks a lot. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.